Hello, everyone. Hope you all are doing well. This time around, I'm going to take you to Scotland. We'll show you what we did, where we stayed, and where we went. So come along. So, to start with, I will show you a brief itinerary of where all we went. We started from our home, which is marked red and it says home. That's Halifax, which is north of England. And we drove all the way to Culloden and we made that our base. And then we traveled towards the other areas to John of Groats, to Applecross, to Skye, etc. So this is a basic itinerary of what we did. And individual places I'll take you along in my video. And also at the same time, if you still like my video, please subscribe, like and share, and please leave your comments below as to how you like my video. So we rented our car, like I said earlier, we rented our car from Enterprise, but there are multiple car rental companies in the UK, and is the best way to travel in northern Scotland. So we booked our accommodation through Airbnb in an area called Culloden. This is the neighborhood. And this is our 3-bed house that we stayed in for 5 nights. It was beautiful. It was modern and had everything that one would need for a week's stay. I'm showing you a small video of what it looked like from inside. It had 3 beds, 2 double and a single bed with 3 bathroom, kitchen and a sunroom. It was very well decorated and had everything that you can really want for a week's holiday. Little touches, very thoughtful. The hosts were very kind. I will leave the link below of the Airbnb house that we went to. If you ever visit northern Scotland, you can always book this house. I'm sure you'll like it. Oh, there's a little wine that the host gave me. It was my birthday. So, these little touches really made our stay even more pleasurable. And the kitchen, of course, helped in, cooking every night for our meals. So this is the Applecross Pass, which summits at 625 meters from sea level. And there are astounding views of different isles like Lewis and Raasay. There are parkings on the side where you can put your car and enjoy the views. And also considered to be one of the most dangerous roads in the UK because it's very narrow. And this is the Three Sisters viewpoint, where 3 mountains come together, and there's a small waterfall, not a very big one, very small, so not in the video, but and we parked and we thoroughly enjoyed the view. In this trip, we mostly ate at home. We had provision to cook, so we made small meals during night. One of the popular ones that we made was chili chicken and fried rice, and in the afternoons we would have food outside. It's always very convenient to cook at home. Get your food from grocery. That way you save money and you get to eat what you really want to. During the evenings, on 2 occasions, we walked in the city of Inverness, which is situated right on the River Ness. And Inverness has got one of the best walking promenades in Upper Scotland. It was really gorgeous during the evenings. So one of the major attractions that I personally had was the Misty Boat Tour. This boat tour is to be taken from a small town called Elgol. I'll give you the link in the description box below. And it took us to a small valley nearby. And on our way, we saw seals, and we were hoping to see some dolphins, but never mind, that didn't happen. But the journey was incredible up to the valley.